Hi, my name is Chef Mike Nyland. I'm a Tucson personal chef, and I'm going to show you how to garnish the crust of a pizza with cheese. First, you roll your crust out. And you take it, gently between your thumb and your knuckles, pull the dough out. Careful not to make any holes. Then you're going to garnish it with a little bit of olive oil. And sprinkle it with your shredded Parmesan cheese. You can bake as is or add your favorite topping. And that's how you garnish a pizza dough with cheese.